Happy weekend, everybody. Our first card is the High Priestess, and that's telling us that we must stay in peace. We are being spiritually guided and protected from any harm. We've reconnected with our inner self, and it's bringing changes for the better. And we are going to encounter mystical changes along the way. The Spirit wants us to be in the now. We're receiving lots of love from our loved ones in the heavens and our angels, and they want us to reassure that wishes are being granted. There is a veil of mystery that's surrounding you, and it's bringing you a new emotional situation. You need to trust your intuition, and you are receiving insights. They want you to trust in the magic. A magical journey is about to begin for you, and they want you to put your energy into the basics and let go of excess. Make choices from your heart. You have healed a lot and you are growing stronger within yourself. And they say you've claimed your independence. Great stuff, guys. Your destiny is intertwined with the stars, and there are new beginnings, end of delays, a change in direction that's going to offer you happiness. You're using forgiveness as a foundation, and you letting go of anger and blame. There is so much you can be grateful for, and there's bright beginnings coming your way. Something unexpected is coming your way that's going to bring back the happiness into your home. And they want you to know that Spirit has your back. Your loved ones want you to be patient, balance work, rest, and play, and they say unity. You spiritually connected to everyone and everything through God. Use the sacred bond to heal your family, friends, and yourself. I love you all so much. Have a lovely weekend. Bye for now.